Just how tough was that?
Man, I mean, words can't explain it, man. For myself, learning everything that I've learned basketball-wise from Kobe, what he meant to the game, the inspiration that he brought to the world. Not just that, his daughter. I'm a father. I can't imagine something like that, happening. I mean, it's a sad, very sad day.
Demar, you even had shoes designed off the influence of Kobe. What did he mean to you personally as a player growing up?
Everything. Everything I learned came from Kobe. Everything. Take Kobe away, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have love. I wouldn't have the passion, the drive. Everything came from him.
Demar, the tribute that you guys and the Raptors did before the game, the 24-second violation, who came up with that? Did you guys discuss it with each other?
I know Nick Nurse came over. I think he mentioned something to Pop. We all talked about it, and I don't know exactly who came up with it, but once we heard it, we respected it on both ends, and that's why we did what we did.
Thanks, y'all.
Thank you.